This video is designed to try and help you understand how the analog symbols and templates may work. I've built three symbols into a mimic page here. This is a simple indicator. This is an indicator with a bar graph and some operational limits and alarm limits. And this one here is the same, but maybe for a analog signal which has a PID control, so this would be the PID set point value. Each one of them has got a series of templates. If we click on the template, the main template that comes up, so this is the first point of call. This will give us our immediate information, what's the status of the instrument, faults, alarms, which alarm might have come up, totalizers in the case of a flow, are we in instrument mode or simulate mode. We can reset faults, and then we can go to other areas. So we can go to settings, information, bring up a trend. Let's click up on a trend. Okay, so quickly bring up a trend, and the trend page being configured to show if we're in a fault or simulation condition, as well as the analog value. So along the bottom here, we'd be able to see a trend. Are we in simulation mode, or has there been a fault on the instrument for the period that we're looking at the analog signal? For settings, typical settings are the alarms. Do we want alarms anyway? We may have a variable where it's not considered necessary for any particular alarms, but it may have some operational limits. And we could disable the alarms. We could take these away, so they disappear. And as you see them, they're disappearing on the bar graph here, but also on the main page. And of course, we then don't need a set point value at all. These are the operational limits. So this is the darker grey area. So again, if we have no operational limits that we're worried about, we just put these to 0, and we just have a plain bar. So we can see that where the process variable is at any one time, indicated by the green bar here, and is it within or outside of the operational limits. So let's put those back in. So straight away, if anyone's perhaps unfamiliar, they can see that the process variable is within operational limits. So those could quite easily be set up or changed. We could narrow them down. Let's bring it down to 6, so we could narrow the band as to where it should be. So for situational awareness type pages, this could be quite useful. Okay. Trend we've shown. Information could be information about the page itself. That's not come up properly, and on this one, this could be information from the instrument itself. So we're getting instrument information across the comms link. So is the comms link okay? Are there any system faults? If so, we'll display them here. Perhaps we get a sensor ready signal. Is the instrument in fact ready? And we'll get a process value and a totalizer. There may be some logic inputs. We can fault reset here, that kind of thing.